Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio W-218H. This is going to be very similar to other Casio watches that feature the 3 buttons. So what you want to do is to press the mode button 3 times in order to arrive at the setting of time and date. We can use the start stop button in order to reset the seconds. As you can see, they are flickering or flashing right here. If you reset them between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 without any minute being added. And if you reset them between 30 and 59, a minute is also going to be added, as you could have seen in the beginning, and the seconds are going to reset to 0. We are going to use the button on the right side in order to toggle between the different options, and here we can set the hours. So I'm going to let's say go to as you can see, we have the 12-hour display, so that is going to show me that we are PM. So you can go either one by one, or you can press and hold and it is going to speed scroll, so it is going to move a lot faster. Then I'm going to push the button once again. Now we can adjust the minutes. Once again, you can only do this in one direction, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to make it 10:30. Then I'm going to press it one more time. Here we can adjust the month. So I'm going to make it December, once again, 12. Then I'm going to press one more time. Here we can set the day of the month. And I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. It is going to remember that February has 28 days. That is something that was introduced in this model. Now I'm going to press once again, and here I can select the day of the week. So I'm going to make it Wednesday. If I press the light button once again, we are going to start all over again. So here, if I reset the seconds to 0, because we are over 30, it is going to also add another minute. Once you have finalized the process, you can press the mode button and all those settings are going to be saved. Now, in case you do not prefer the 12-hour display and you want to switch it to the 24-hour display, all you need to do in your home screen is to press the start stop button, and as you can see, we now have the 24-hour display. We can see here the 24-hour display. If I press it one more time, we are going to go back to the 12-hour display, and it is showing me PM right here. I prefer the 24, so I'm going to leave it just like that. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Casio W-218H. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Also, I'm going to make a full guide with how to replace the watch battery, and I'm going to leave a link to that as well, guys. In case you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. Make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. And thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.